Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing a brand new ESP32 project with you. We're going to look at a custom TFT library I wrote specifically for using the ST7789 display with the ESP32-C3. It has a ton of capability and is just as easy to use as TFT ESPI. But most importantly, it guarantees that your ST7789 display works flawlessly on the ESP32-C3 without any headaches. For more projects like this, make sure to like and share this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to help our community grow. It really keeps me motivated. Let's dive in project. All right, let's get into it. So, why write a new library? If you've been working with these microcontrollers for a while, you know the struggle, the constant incompatibility issues between updated Arduino IDEs, the ESP32 core, and existing display libraries. I created this so I can easily dive in and tweak the code myself whenever there's a core update, a compiler issue, or a weird bug. Right now, I don't use a massive variety of displays, so it's tailored for what I need, but I plan to add support for more display drivers and resolutions in the future. This way, we won't be held back by display incompatibilities when designing custom hardware builds. I've actually done this before, writing simple custom drivers for unsupported screens, like the MCU Friend Uno Shield with the IL9325 driver. Alright, let's see how to use it. First, head over to my GitHub and download the source code as a zip file. You can find the links down in the description. Then, open your Arduino IDE, go to Sketch, Include Library, Add.zip library, and select the file you just downloaded. Next up, the configuration. Just like TFT ESPI, this library uses a user setup file where we define our settings like pins, SPI speed, and color format. I've set the default pins to match the standard SPI pins of the ESP32-C3, but you can easily customize this for your own board. One great feature I added is native support for sharing the SPI bus with an SD card. If you're wiring up an SD module, just make sure to activate the MISO definition in this setup file. It should only be enabled when the SD card is in use. Once your settings are done, save and close the file. Let's test it out with some Arduino examples. Start by opening the graphic test sketch. You can upload this straight away without changing any code. If you look closely at the sketch, you'll notice the syntax is super similar to TFT ESPI. It supports all the basic functions, so the learning curve is 0. As you can see from the results, the drawing speed is already pretty solid. I'm planning to optimize the code to make it even faster down the line. If we look at the other included examples, there's a sprite application and another one for reading image files directly from an SD card and drawing those bitmaps to the screen. They work beautifully and are great templates for your own UI designs. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos and future library updates. Until next time, bye!